Can Trump fire Jerome Powell? The truth about interest rates and the Fed President Donald Trump is once again criticizing Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. He says Powell is too slow to cut interest rates, and even suggested firing him. But here's the big question. Can a US president actually fire the Fed chair? And if Powell is removed, would it really lead to lower interest rates? Let's explain this step by step in simple terms. What's Trump angry about? Trump believes Powell is taking too long to lower interest rates. He says higher rates hurt the economy and slow down consumer spending. He posted online that Powell's termination can't come fast enough. Trump also told reporters he could ask Powell to leave at any time. But legally, it's not that easy. Can the president fire the Fed chair? The Federal Reserve is an independent agency. That means it's not directly controlled by the White House. In 1935, a Supreme Court ruling said the president can't fire leaders of such agencies without cause. So Trump can't remove Powell just because he disagrees with him. Some say the Supreme Court could revisit that rule. But for now, it stands. What happens? If Powell is replaced, even if Powell leaves, it won't guarantee lower interest rates. That's because Powell is just one member of the Federal Open Market Committee, or FOMC. This committee actually votes on interest rates. They could choose someone else as chair, even if Trump picks a new Fed leader. This happened before, like in 1979, when Paul Volcker was elected FOMC chair after a shakeup. Also, not all voting members are appointed by the president. Some come from regional banks. Why this matters: interest rates affect everyday life, from credit cards and loans to home prices and stock markets. Lowering them can help the economy, but going too fast can cause inflation. That's why the Fed needs to stay independent and think long-term. If the Fed chair is fired for political reasons, it could scare global markets and hurt trust in the US economy. So can Trump fire Jerome Powell? Legally, no, not unless the rules change. And even if Powell goes, it doesn't mean rates will drop. The FOMC decides as a group, and they won't automatically follow a new appointee. Let us know what you think. Should the president have the power to fire the Fed chair? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates.